See, the bullshit is this. You didn't ask to come here. I didn't ask to come here. Why I gotta pay to stay? I can't stand the hate. I can't stand the hate in this world. I don't understand it. You know what I'm saying? You want to pay all your money to go see a movie when you got people out there working to get it to you for free. But you hate for it. You got people working for you, so you don't have to pay so much freaking money to live, to eat, to drive your freaking car, but you want to sit in their fucking way. Stank ass pussies. You know what I'm saying? They either faggots. You get me? Why else would someone want to get in front of the living way? The living. You know what I'm saying? You making living easier, don't you? You want to live, don't you? You want to live. You want to kill off people. You know what I'm saying? The living. The living. Fucko.